Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix YouTube search history not showing. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, tap on Play Store. And from here, search for this YouTube. Tap on this. From here, you make sure that update. Tap on update. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and tap on setting, and from here scroll down and tap on apps and tap on apps management. From here search for this YouTube and tap on this. From here tap on permissions. To make sure that select all permission, allow camera and contents and everyone, all permission select allow, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on storage usage, tap on this, and from here tap on clear cache and clear data. And after that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.